Okay guys, can't really talk in the fact this radio's on all the time, so you know, issues with what you call it, copyright. So this is the flywheel I made this morning. I've also drilled and tapped it and put a 4mm grub screw in there. I made it really thin because I realized that all my last engines, the previous engines should I say, are very heavy flywheel and they struggle to work. This is an idea to make the crankshaft. Now drill these holes as far as I can, and this main hole. So the main piston, what do you call it? Piston or not piston? Main rod. So the main rod is going to go through there, and also the small rods will go through that one. So I'm going to cut this up into pieces and make a crankshaft kind of thing out. Now this is the bearing I've got, so I'm going to use this bearing. So I find that bearings make the thing spin easier. How I'm actually going to do this engine, I have no idea at this moment in time. I'm struggling to think about the crank rod and the rods that come off it to go to the piston. So I'm struggling with that part of it. I'm not sure how that's going to go, but let's have a look. So yeah. I'm going to try and solder these. Try is the word.